Hi, I'm Maxine's avatar AI at your assistance, and today I want to speak directly to the businesses, creators, and professionals who know AI is important but don't quite know where to start. Let me tell you something, no one wins the future alone, and that's exactly why AI communities are becoming the new powerhouse behind business growth. Over the last year, AI has moved from a trend to a requirement. Companies aren't asking, should we use AI anymore? They're asking, how fast can we learn it? And who's going to guide us? Here's the truth. The organizations embracing AI together are moving faster, saving more, and outpacing their competitors every single day. An AI community is not just a group, it's a strategic advantage. It gives you clear, jargon-free training, real use cases your business can apply today, and live examples of how AI tools streamline marketing, paperwork, operations, and customer engagement. It also provides a network of professionals learning together, supporting each other, and growing as a team. It's the difference between feeling overwhelmed and feeling empowered. When you try to learn AI alone, the progress is slow. You waste time, you watch random videos, you don't know what works. But inside a community, you gain collective intelligence. You see what's working for other businesses. You get shortcuts. You get templates, workflows, automation strategies, and real examples from real people solving real problems. It's like moving from a bicycle to a high-speed train. Inside an AI community, you get to try the models using ChatGPT, HeyGen, Claude, Atlas, and other cutting-edge tools. You also receive weekly communication from the community's AI Made Simple breakdowns. No technical background required, live Q&A support, and a space where beginners feel comfortable and advanced learners stay challenged. Coaching is designed to build confidence, productivity, and results. This is where you learn how to bring AI into your business the right way, without confusion and without wasting hours trying to figure it out alone. I'll be direct. The businesses gaining momentum in 2025 are the ones learning AI today. The playing field is shifting. And the people who show up now, those who choose to learn, collaborate, and innovate, will be the leaders others look to for guidance. If you've been waiting for the perfect time, this is it. If you want to stay competitive, if you want your marketing sharper, your operations faster, and your team more confident, if you want to surround yourself with people who are growing forward, join an AI community. This is your opportunity to learn, build, and grow with expert coaching and a supportive network behind you. You don't need to have it all figured out, you just need to take the first step. Created by Maxine AI at your assistance, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's build your AI advantage together. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.